The glass fogs and leaks, white matter appears on the insulated glass aluminum foil strips, and the low-E film fails. These are the headaches encountered by customers during the consultation process, and these are largely related to the desiccant. Today let's talk about the desiccant for insulating glass in combination with relevant journal documents. Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. The service life of insulating glass is generally related to three factors: desiccant, sealant, and processing technology. The most critical one is desiccant. Let's talk about the types of desiccants first. The first thing we want to talk about is calcium chloride desiccants. When many customers consulted, they encountered white crystals on the aluminum foil strips, butyl glue flowing oil, and inside the cavity. The occurrence of problems such as rainbow spots is actually largely caused by the use of desiccants containing calcium chloride. After this desiccant absorbs water vapor, it will electrolyze a substance that corrodes aluminum strips, and it will also occur with butyl glue. Reaction will cause the butyl glue to fail and shorten the service life of the insulating glass. The second point I want to talk about is for molecular sieves. Many householders are always worried about the self-explosion of the glass when buying windows. This type of molecular sieve is related to the self-explosion of the glass, because this type of molecular sieve has a strong adsorption force on water, but it also absorbs water. For other gases in the air, when the temperature drops, the molecular sieve will adsorb the air elements inside the insulating glass, causing the internal pressure to decrease. When the temperature rises, the molecular sieve will release other adsorbed gases into the hollow glass. In the cavity, it will cause the air in the insulating glass to expand. With the change of temperature difference between day and night, insulating glass is easily distorted and broken due to expansion and contraction, and its life is shortened. Therefore, a molecular sieve cannot be used as a desiccant for insulating glass. Currently, the most common molecular sieve on the market is 3A molecular sieve, which is used by some large glass factories. The last thing to talk about is the content of desiccant and the use environment. The greater the desiccant content of the aluminum spacer, the longer the service life of the glass. Some glass factories have a desiccant content of only 30%. This content is unable to tell. There is also a difference between manually installed desiccant and mechanically installed desiccant. The difference lies in the water content of the desiccant during installation. The less water the desiccant absorbs during pre-installation, the amount of water adsorbed in the hollow is smaller. The more you have, the longer your life will be. Therefore, the quality of glass can generally only be judged by the service life of the glass. Generally, the lower the price, the greater the chance of configuring this kind of glass. When choosing a window, pay attention to the glass warranty time. Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang insulating glass line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.